Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reset service light on Renault Scenic 2 in 3 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So if you can see, there's a service message on the display. So to make it disappear, we just have to follow 3 simple steps. So start the engine by insert the car key into the car slot and then push the start stop button. Then press on the wiper stock button until you see the oil change due or change oil soon message. There it is. And then keep pressing on the button for 5 seconds until the service light is reset. Now you can see the service light is reset for 15,000 kilometers. Turn the ignition off and then turn it back on to check if the service message on display has disappeared. So there is still on. The service message is still on. In our case, the message is still on because of the handbrake fault. If you can see, check parking brake on the display. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.